Hi everyone, I'm Celina, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how you can make healthy gingerbread cookies. On my channel Healthy Bug Grub, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare healthy, nutritious food for your baby from when they first start solids right through to family meals. I'm also going to take you along for the ride of my little girl's food journey so that you can see what she is eating along the way. If you enjoyed today's video, help me out and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can keep up to date with what I'm posting on a weekly basis. As always, if you have any concerns about allergies, please seek the advice of an appropriate healthcare professional. These cookies are great if you're looking for a nice healthy treat for your little one over the Christmas period. I wanted to make something that my little girl could have as a treat so that she felt a part of things. It is a period where you do tend to be doing extra eating and there's lots of sweets and treats about, but not really anything suitable for little healthy bodies. So I found these biscuits or cookies to be really great for that, and you can have fun with them. You can cut them out in different Christmas shapes, which makes it fun for them when they're eating, and you don't have to feel guilty about giving them as a little treat here and there. So I hope that you enjoy making them and that your little one enjoys eating them as much as my little girl did. All right, let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using wholemeal spelt flour, almond meal, bicarb soda, ground ginger, mixed spice, an orange, maple syrup, and pantry staples of butter and milk. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a baking tray, and a selection of cookie cutters. I'll start by placing all of the dry ingredients into the mixing bowl. So it's a half a cup of the wholemeal spelt flour, a half a cup of almond meal, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, a half a teaspoon of ginger, and a quarter of a teaspoon of mixed spice. Now I'm going to add the zest of 1 orange. If you don't like a strong orange flavour, maybe only zest half of the orange instead. Now mix it all together thoroughly with a wooden spoon. To a small saucepan, add about 30 grams of butter, a couple of tablespoons worth of the orange juice, and a quarter of a cup of maple syrup. And 2 tablespoons of milk. Place the saucepan over low heat and stir until the butter has dissolved. Then remove from heat and allow to cool. Once cooled, pour into the dry ingredients and stir well with the wooden spoon until combined. If you find that the mixture is too wet, just add more flour as needed. Once you have a nice dough, place it onto a floured surface and roll the dough into a ball. To make things more manageable, we're going to cut the dough in half and then cover each half with plastic wrap and place in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Next, we're going to roll the dough out to about 1 centimetre thick, and then using our cookie cutters, we're going to cut as many shapes as possible from that piece. Then you can roll the dough that you have remaining and flatten that out again and keep going to get as many shapes as you can. This is a great recipe to get the family involved in. The kids can help, especially with the cutting out. I'm sure that they will have fun cutting out the different shapes, and then when they go in the oven, they'll enjoy watching them cook. Now they're ready to go into the preheated oven. The oven was preheated at 160. They'll only take about 7 minutes to cook, or just until they're brown. Once the cookies are baked, you can decorate them as you please. I'm using coconut flour to sift over the top to make it look like snow, but you can get creative and do whatever you like. Now you've got healthy, guilt-free cookies for the whole family this Christmas.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this episode today, and it's inspired you to go and give these little cookies a try for your little one over the Christmas period. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again. Hi everyone, in today's episode we're going to be cooking